Hey everyone, this is Nivgi. I'm part of the team behind Vincent. So Vincent is an AI data scientist that can do tasks for you inside Jupyter Notebook. So let me show you how it works. So this is a notebook predicting house prices. Let's start off, Vincent, by asking to perform error analysis using SHAP and improve the model using XGBoost. Now, as you see, Vincent has three modes. I'm going to go off and start with the agent mode. So agent mode, Vincent can actually see your notebook, see the code and the outputs, also the outputs visually. And Vincent can plan and do multi-step actions of adding cells, running them, seeing the outputs, deciding what to do next, etc. You can see that it installs the relevant packages. By default, Vincent would not install packages automatically for you, only add the cells and ask you to execute it, but you can allow Vincent to do that in the settings. So we can follow along Vincent here, seeing what it does. You can add cells, you can overwrite them, etc. And we can see the thought process for each action. Let's wait off for a second until Vincent is done here, and we can come back. Okay, so Vincent has finished. It performed 15 steps in order to do what we asked it to do. We can see that it was able to improve the performance quite a bit, which is cool. We can go over the steps that Vincent took. We can see that it added some cells, sometimes it overridden the cells, it uncovered some errors, but then fixed them. And if we don't want to go over the entire process and just see the difference between before the task and after the task, we can just press the review changes here. And then we get the diff view of the notebook between the end and the beginning. So we can see here the pipeline has been modified, probably to allow the XGBoost. We can see some cells added. And we can see the difference between the outputs and the inputs. Okay, so this is pretty cool. And if we want to revert those changes, we can do this here or in the message. But let's just keep those changes for now. Okay, so now I want to show you a more targeted way to use Vincent. So let's say I want to change a specific cell. For example, here the feature importance, I want to see only the top 5. I don't care about the others. I can switch over to edit mode, and it prompts me to select cells. I can do that by being in the cell and pressing Command M, or pressing the cell itself, or pressing here at the bottom, at the bottom, and I see this cell is adding here to the cells being edited. And here I can ask, let's start a new chat for that, and here I can ask Vincent, I want to see only the top 5. So I don't need to give Vincent a lot of context because it knows the cell that I'm referencing. So this makes it a lot easier and faster to do edits. And you can see that it decided to overwrite the cell and edit it, and I got what I wanted, which is great. So this is how you can use edit. You can also select several cells to edit them, and it's pretty nice. The last way to use Vincent is using chat mode. So let's start a new chat here and move over to chat mode. Let's select GPT-4o because it's a bit faster for that. And chat mode is very helpful when you want to get answers on your notebook, or you want to brainstorm, or even plan before you use the agent mode. So let's do the planning thing. So let's say I want to do some feature engineering. What do you recommend? Sorry about that. Now in chat mode, Vincent would not touch the notebook at all. It would only answer inside the chat. It can give me code in the chat, but it would not write it to the notebook. So let's see, it gave me some ideas for feature engineering. Let's see those. Sure, one seems cool. Let's go with one. How would you do it? So I can continue planning with Vincent, specifying further what I wanted to do. Here it already gave me some code, but maybe I don't want to do it myself. So at that point, I can just go, sounds great, implement, and move to agent mode. I can stay with GPT-4o or change to another one if I want, and press enter. And now Vincent would just implement the things that we planned together. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. Let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoy it.